Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to remove a person from the sharing option on Android. If you're using an Android phone and now you want to remove any person from the sharing option, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Google Photos app and here select their profile, and then you have to look for Photos setting. Just select it, and here you'll get the sharing option. Just select it, and here you can easily manage your sharing options. Here you have the option of skip suggestion. Just select it, and here you can see I have no any skip suggestion, but you can easily add skip suggestions in here. But if you want to remove your suggestion, you just have to select notifications, and here you have the suggested sharing. You just have to disable this setting, and after that you will not get any suggestions to your sharing options. So that's how you can easily remove a person or all of your contacts from the sharing option on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.